Channel. How are you all? Hopefully everyone okay. So guys, first of all, I like to wish everyone happy Dasera, everyone, to my all YouTuber family and everyone. So guys, I bring another quick recipe today, and it's the vegetable pulao. So it is very easy and quick recipe. So this pulao recipe is very ideal for the who are doing fasting for Navratri. So I'm not using any garlic, ginger and onion today. So only I'm using jeera and little bit whole spices. So very good for them who are fasting. So guys, I'm telling you step by step. So let's begin. So for pulao vegetable ingredients I have got, I soaked 1 cup of rice. This is a Silla brown rice. So I soaked nearly 20 minutes ago. You guys can use any type of the rice. Vegetables, I'm taking the green beans, nearly 30 gram. Carrots, 30 gram. Potato cubes, I'm taking 2 potatoes. I cut and put in the water. Then I'm taking ghee, pure ghee. So I'm taking only 2 to 3 tablespoons. Whole spices, I'm taking the black pepper, about 10 to 12. Cinnamon stick, very small amount. You can see like this amount only. 4 to 5 green cardamom. Half teaspoon of the cumin seeds. 3 to 4 bay leaves. And cloves about 4. Salt, half teaspoon. First pepper, half teaspoon. And roasted cumin powder, half teaspoon. And for nuts, I'm taking almond, about 10 to 12 there. I cut it 2 pieces. Cashew nuts and peanuts. So all this is the raw, without salted. So first I'm taking deep fry pan, then gas on, let it warm. Then I'm going to add the ghee. 2 spoons of ghee and let it warm. When it's warm the ghee, then I'm going to put the almond. Then I'm going to slightly brown. Don't fry too much. You can see it's already slightly brown, so I'm going to take off. So next I'm going to fry the cashew nuts. This is also I'm going to slightly fry. You just need to make golden brown a little bit. So guys, you can see this is also slightly roasted. Then I'm going to take off now. Next I'm going to roast the peanuts. You have to fry a little bit golden brown. This is, make sure it's a crunch. It takes time, 2 to 3 minutes. Then you can see it's fried, and then I'm going to take off. Then I'm using the same ghee. Then I'm going to add up all whole spices. So going everything. Then slightly fry. Make sure it's not burnt. So I'm not going to add any garlic, ginger and onion today, guys. I'm making this pulao for the who are fasting. Then I'm going to add the carrots first. Then fry till they little bit tender, because carrots take time to cook. We're going to add the other vegetable step by step. But carrots take time to cook. So guys, you can add any kind of vegetables. Don't cook in the high flame, otherwise your ghee will burn. Then when carrots is cooked 3 to 4 minutes, then I'm going to add the green beans. Then keep frying again 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, then I'm going to add the potatoes. Then I'm just going to cook not more than 3 to 4 minutes, because potato and rest of vegetable can cook with the rice. Because I'm using this Silla Tilda basmati rice, it takes time to cook at least 15 to 20 minutes in the slow flame. So you can see all vegetables is fried, no water at all, very dry. Then I'm going to add the rice. Then mix all together. Then I'm going to fry the rice at least 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to add the salt. So guys, you can add salt according to your taste. Then cumin powder, roast it. Crushed black pepper. Then mix all together. Then I'm going to add the water. Rice was 1.5 cups. So I'm going to add the water about 3 cups. Then I'm going to put the lid on, then let it cook. So guys, you can see it's water almost dry, nearly cooked. So guys, it's our vegetable pulao ready. Then I'm going to add the all roasted nuts. Then I'm going to mix all together. Then I'm going to let it simmer 2 to 3 minutes, then it's done. Then I'm going to make some green chutneys, coriander leaves, onion leaves, and I'm going to use 4 to 5 green chili, salt, 2 to 3 spoons of yogurt. Then put salt. So guys, this is our green chutney ready. Look at the beautiful color. Now guys, it's ready to eat. So I'm going to serve now. So guys, you can see how beautiful it look. So it's all rice is singly. It's beautifully cooked. So I'm going to dish out. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then everyone, take care. Bye bye.